Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's tutorial, it's going to be my get ready with me while staying at home. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. These pictures are going to end up being on YouTube. I mean, the video on YouTube and the picture will end up being on Instagram. So we're kind of getting ready for Instagram, like we're not going anywhere. Okay, so this is what this video is going to be all about today. And in this video, I'll be showing you some of my workout routine, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to fix this hair. I don't feel like wearing wig for this particular tutorial. That's why I'm going to find something to do to make it look better for this look. All right, I already did my brows off the camera, so we're going to be slaying the face and we're going to be putting on the outfits and all that good stuff. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, I'm all about not wasting time. Let's jump right into this video. So now we're going to be moving on to the makeup application. Right there, I'm using Urban Decay primer to prime my eyelid, and I'll be coming in with the palette by BH Cosmetics Reflection Glam. I'll be using part of this eyeshadow in here to do my eyelid.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body, baby, oh. His body, baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody.
Right now, I'm applying the liquid eyeliner by Burberry. I've had this for a very long time. I just found it in my makeup kit, so I said, okay, let me put it to a use today.
Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise rewind. She She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low. Tell me what you want, let me know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no.
So those are the two sampler of primer that I'll be using. One is by MAC and one is by Estee Lauder. One gives me hydration and the other gives me matte where I needed them. So that's why I applied those two primer together.
Private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You done know. VQ's bad man point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man will take you there. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby oh. His body baby oh.
I'm only going to set it for a little bit because if I set it too long, my under eye is going to be very, very dry. So it's just for a little bit. So while I set that, I'm going to go ahead and just blend my contour, and I'm going to be using this palette by Black Radiance.
Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah.
And for my blush, I'll be using e.l.f. blush palettes. This shade right here, I'll be using this. I'll be using this highlighter by Estee Lauder. I'll go ahead and set my entire face with this Urban Decay all-nighter. Now I'm going to be using this brown pencil by David. I've had it for a long time, very, very long time. I'm going to be using that to line my inner eye ring. With this palette, with this eyeshadow, the one I've been using before, the brown one, just to smudge it out. Lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick and lip gloss combo by LA Color. I bought it for $1. Okay. Anyway.
That thing where I go feel late now. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place now.
Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my hair and see what I can do with it. Then I'll change into my outfit, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with my hair though. It's when I'm changing, that's when you will not see that, right? But you will see the outfit after I've done changing. Okay, so for my hair, I'm just gonna need this. I'm gonna need, of course, comb. I have water in the bottle, just peppermint oil and olive oil in this water, and I'm gonna be using some bobby pin. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm going for yet, but this is the condition of my hair right now. See, you know, I normally shave the side, so I'm gonna go for like a mohawk. I'm just gonna style it to something like that. So that's what I'm going for. So yes, and that's what I'm gonna do. I just need a little bit water so that it will be easier for me to kind of contour it. Now I'm going to be using wigs and all that, but for this purpose of this tutorial, I don't feel like wearing wig. So I don't want the long one to go in there. I just want to do the side alone like that. I hope you guys can see. And for the back, I'm just going to be using bobby pin just to style. I'll grab just a few. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll just grab just a few like that, twist it this way and just pin it down. Just pin it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change into my outfit so we can wrap this up, okay? So
steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Omoto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press rewind. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low.